Do you have an online course or planning to create one? Then you must think ahead about its protection. Online courses deserve some safety measures to protect your hard work. In this video, we will show you how to add such protection to e-learning courses. For this, we will use LearnDash as the LMS platform. LearnDash is a popular WordPress LMS plugin that you can use to create and sell online courses. LearnDash offers modern security features to protect your courses. We have detailed tutorials on how to create courses using LearnDash. We will provide those links in the description. You will also get LearnDash download link in the video description. Now, let's see how to add security protection to your online courses using LearnDash. This is our website and we have a LearnDash course in our website over here. In order to protect our courses, we can take some steps. So for this, we are going to head over to our WordPress admin dashboard. From here, we are going to hover our mouse over LearnDash LMS. From here, we are going to select add-ons. Now, LearnDash has several add-ons that you can use. The add-on that we are going to use today is called LearnDash LMS Integrity. This will protect our LearnDash site from content theft. So to install this add-on, we are simply going to click over here and wait for the add-on to install. Alright, the add-on has been installed and it's been added in this installed section. Now to activate this, we are going to click on this icon and it will be activated. Once it's activated, we are going to go to the settings section of LearnDash LMS. And after we're here, we are going to see a new tab over here called Integrity. We're going to click on it. Here are 4 options through which you can protect your online courses. The first one is prevent hotlinking. Now, what is hotlinking? Hotlinking is a process through which an individual can link the media files on your website to their website. So what happens is they will be using your bandwidth in order to load your images on their site. Now, what's bad about this is once their website gets popular and they have many visitors, there will be a lot of requests coming to your website. So basically, they will be using your resources, which will slow down your website. Now, we don't want that to happen. If we click on this icon over here, we can see the description is given over here. Protect videos and images hosted on this site from hotlinking. Okay, so we are going to enable this feature. Now with this enabled, our website will be protected from hotlinking. The next feature is the concurrent login. Now what does this actually mean? If you enable this, it will prevent the users of your website from sharing their account. So normally a user can access their WordPress dashboard using multiple browsers or multiple sources. If you enable this option, it will be prevented. And after you enable this, you can also exclude user roles. If you click over here, you can choose which user roles will be excluded. For example, if I select admin over here, this rule won't be applied to the admin. Okay, so if we click over here, you can see it says choose one or more user roles to exclude from the prevent concurrent login feature. Again, if we click on help over here, it also describes what this is. Enable concurrent logins per user. Now the next option is prevent content copy. If we click on over here, it says prevent content on this site from being copied. There might be individuals who might want to copy content from your website. Now, enabling this feature adds an extra layer of security because of which those individuals won't be able to copy the content from your website. Now, to demonstrate this, we are going to first save our option and then go to our site. Now, if we right-click on our site, you can see that nothing is actually happening. But if we disable that feature, so let's get back to the integrity settings. And if we disable this, now let's click on save. Now, if we go to our site, if we right click, you can see the menu pops up over here. So people can copy these content. So we are going to enable this. Now, there are more advanced ways of copying content from a website, but enabling this option adds a basic layer of security through which you can protect your site. The final protection rule is the reCAPTCHA. You can enable reCAPTCHA on your forms, either on your login form or on your register form or on both. Now you can select the reCAPTCHA version you want to use. The reCAPTCHA version 2 includes a checkbox, while the reCAPTCHA version 3 is an invisible process. You can choose whichever version you want. After you enable this, you also have to insert the side key and secret key, and also you can specify a score over here. So if we click on this, it says minimum score user has to get to be able to bypass the reCAPTCHA verification. reCAPTCHA version 3 returns a score 1, which is very likely to be good interaction, and 0.0 is very likely a bot. Okay, so if it's 0, that means very likely it's a bot, and 1 means it's likely to be a human user. Now, how will you get your side key and secret key? We're not going to explain this in this video, but we have a tutorial where we discussed how you can get your side key and secret key. We will put the link of that tutorial in this video's description so you guys can learn more. So these are the methods through which you can protect your online courses from content theft and other security threats in LearnDash. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos on WordPress. Thank you for watching. See you next time.